Hello everyone, I'm Zulaikha and today we'll be discussing triangles. A triangle is a three-sided polygon with three sides and three angles. The sides of a triangle are represented by lowercase letters like A, B, C, D, and so on, while the angles are represented by uppercase letters like A, B, C, D, and so on. So on the screen, we have three diagrams of a triangle. Let's identify the sides and the angle. So if this is our angle A, the side directly opposite it will be our side A. If this is angle B, the side opposite it here will be side B. If this is angle C, this side, the last side, will be side C. For the second triangle, if this is angle A, the side opposite it will be side A. If this is angle B, then this is side B. And if this is angle C, the side opposite it will be side C. For the third one, if this is angle A, this will be side A. If this is angle B, this will be side B. And if this is angle C, the last side will be side C. So that is the identification of the sides and angles of a triangle. Now, the total angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. For example, let's consider this triangle. If this angle is 80 degrees and this angle is 40 degrees, if we are asked to find this angle, let's find the third angle. Don't forget, the total angles in a triangle is 180 degrees, and if this angle is x, so let's look for x. 80 plus 40 degrees plus x equals to 180 degrees. Don't forget, the total angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So 80 degrees plus 40 degrees is 120 degrees plus x equals to 180 degrees. Now, x equals to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. X equals to 60 degrees. So x here equals to 60 degrees. Now let's look at one more example. If we have this triangle, if this is 50 degrees and this is, let's say, 45 degrees, if we are asked to find the third angle, y, so that's 50 degrees plus 45 degrees plus y equals to 180 degrees. So y equals to 180 degrees minus 95 degrees. So y equals to 85 degrees. That's our unknown. Up next is the types of triangles. The types of triangles are classified into two groups: sides and angles. The types of triangles based on the sides are equilateral triangles, isosceles triangles, and scaling triangles, while the types of triangles based on angles are acute triangles, right triangles, and obtuse triangles. For equilateral triangle, all the three sides and three angles are equal. So if this side is 4 centimeters, this side is also 4 centimeters, and likewise this side. So the angles are also equal, they are the same. So this is 60 degrees, sorry. This is also 60 degrees, and the last is 60 degrees. That's for equilateral triangle. For isosceles triangles, two sides and two angles are equal. So let's consider this triangle. two of its sides, let's say this is 6 centimeters, this is also 6 centimeters, and this is 4 centimeters. So two of its sides are equal and two angles are also equal. So if this is 50 degrees, this is also 50 degrees, and the last angle will be 80 degrees, making total of 180 degrees for the angles. So isosceles triangles, two of its sides and angles are equal. For scaling triangle, none of its sides and angles are equal. None. So if, let's say this is 6 centimeters, this side is 5 centimeters, and the last side is 4 centimeters. None of its sides are equal. Likewise, the angles. So let's consider the angles. If this angle is 50 degrees, and this is 55 degrees, the last angle will be 85 degrees. So that's scaling. None of its sides or angle are equal. That's types of triangles based on the side. For the angles, we have the acute triangles, right triangles, and obtuse triangles. For acute triangles, all the three angles are less than 90 degrees. So if this is 60 degrees and this is 40 degrees and this is 80 degrees, they are all less than 90 degrees. So that is acute triangles. All the three angles are less than 90 degrees. None of it is up to 90 degrees. For the right angled triangles, one of its angle is 90 degrees, exactly 90 degrees. This angle is 90 degrees. So the remaining two angles will share the remaining 90 degrees to make it 180 degrees. So if this is 50 degrees and the last will be 40 degrees. So here, don't forget we have 90 degrees here. So that is making total of 180 degrees. So that is right triangles. One of its angle is 90 degrees. For the last one, the obtuse triangle, one of its angle is greater than 90 degrees. So let's say we have this triangle. If this is 130 degrees, this will be 20 degrees, and this will be 30 degrees, making 180 degrees. So exactly one out of its three angles is greater than 90 degrees. That's obtuse triangles.